another split. And now I will show you good exercises which. So let's start with me. So first exercise which we will do with our legs. So I will get seat, take my legs and start pushing 2, 3, 4 to change side. So I will take on the floor and myself 2 and 5. Amazing work. And now trying to do another side. So down 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will slowly go down and work because I take it 1, 2, 3, 1, back 2, 3, 4. I take it 1 and strong 2 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 4 and the last one is we're trying to take strong one core on ourselves and back and 3, 5. Good work. Working in another side slowly on the floor. 3, 4. Working with another leg so slowly on the floor and 3. Be careful. 4. Slowly on the floor and 2 and 4 and 5. Amazing work. And you slowly go down 2, 3, 4, 5 and straight back 4, 5. Good work. Slowly get back and force it to relax. 4, 5. So then we will do another